What is happening? What is going on with the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude? The Air Jordan 11 Gratitude released on December 9th. Retail was $230. These did slowly sell out. It was an easy cop. If you put in the footwork, you were able to cop. With that being said, comment down below right now. I have a question for you. Did you guys cop the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude? Comment down below fire emojis if you guys did cop. Please comment a bunch of trash emojis if you guys did not cop for whatever reason. I want to see who copped the Gratitude Air Jordan 11s and who did not. The Gratitude is a straight fire pair of Air Jordan 11s. I've been wearing my pair a lot. If you guys haven't seen my wear test video, make sure you guys go check it out. I also have been putting on Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protectors on the market. These sole protectors have been saving my Jordan 11s as I've been wearing them. I promise they've been keeping them clean as I wear the sneakers. Make sure you guys cop Drip Grip. The link will be down below in the description, and use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. Now, we have to talk about the price. What is going on with the price of this Air Jordan 11? For the first time ever that I could think of, I've been into shoes for half my life now, which is crazy, over half my life at this point, and the Jordan 11 has always, every single holiday had resell. Well, this year, for the first time ever, there's no resell. There's no money to be made on the Jordan 11 for the holiday. In fact, if you guys check prices, they haven't moved. They haven't gone up. They haven't gone down. They're basically at around, depending on size, under retail or right at about retail. Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Guys, prices are going to drop big time. Here's why. Stock was high, plentiful, and they sold out online for the most part, right? You can't really get them online in store. You might be able to go in store and get them. In fact, if you guys want me to go to the mall on Monday, tomorrow, make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know. I'll film a mall video. We'll see if we can get the Gratitudes 2 days after release. I am going to Travis Scott, actually today, as you guys are seeing this video. I am going to the Travis Scott concert, so I'm not going to be able to do it today. I cannot wait for Travis. I do have early access tickets. I cannot wait for the concert. It's going to be absolutely crazy. But with that being said, back to the Gratitudes. Guys, these flew online a little bit, right? It wasn't that hard to cop. On the sneakers app on Nike, a slower sellout throughout the day. They did eventually go. On the sneakers app, I believe it took about an hour, 2 hours for them to finally sell out. And then, if you guys look on Twitter, Nike put them up on Nike US. When that happens, after the drop, you know there's a lot of stock. And for anybody that took an L on the sneakers app, I hate that Nike does that. They'll give you an L on the sneakers app, but then shortly after drop stock on Nike US, so why did you give people an L on the sneakers app? It just doesn't make sense, but that's what happens. When that does happen, there's a lot of stock. Now, there's a lot. Reports were saying over 700,000 pairs on the sneakers app alone. If that's true, it's a lot. Regardless, I'm gonna say it. In my opinion, this is just my opinion, don't hold me to this, I think we got like 1.5, possibly even 2 million pairs on this release. I think it was well over a million. Well over a million pairs between the sneakers app, the shock drop, exclusive access, releases, you know, across the board, every major retailer getting them. There's a lot of stock. So with that being said, what's going to happen with the prices? Down. I do expect these to pop up at Nike outlets, to be honest. I really do. I could be wrong on that, but I am expecting it majorly on returns, where people think they'll be able to flip them, can't flip them, boom, they bring them back to Nike outlets, and you might be able to find a pair. Are they going to be discounted? That's another story. So keep that in mind. I do think we will see the Gratitudes at the Nike outlet. Let me know your thoughts on that down below. Guys, plenty of stock. We're going to see prices drop under retail in pretty much every size. The prices are going to go down, guys. I do expect it. You'll be able to get them for a really good price. And if you wait and are comfortable going used, you'll be able to get them for very cheap. Very cheap for a Jordan 11. So, guys, don't sleep. I think it's a great pair. If you truly want them, you could have and should have put in the footwork today, and you probably got them. You probably did. There's a lot of stock. Resale doesn't exist, so it kept a lot of resellers out of it and made the shoe widely available for those who wanted it. So let me know down below in the comments, once again, if you guys did cop. Let me know, how many pairs did you cop? Are you doubling up? Are you tripling up? Just one? Let me know down below in the comments. For me personally, one and done. I'm good. Yeah, it's a great pair though. I've been wearing them, enjoying them. I'm going to continue to wear them, enjoy them. I do want you guys to watch the wear test video because there is a flaw with the quality of the sneaker. So make sure you guys go check out that wear test video and drop a comment. Please let me know your thoughts on the Jordan 11 Gratitude. I want to see who copped and who did not today on release day. As I'm recording this video, once again, you guys will see this Sunday. And yeah, I'm going to be at Travis. I cannot wait. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys took the W, took the L on this release. And let me know if you guys are actually going to hold your pairs. I'm going to say it. I don't think they're worth your time, money, or investment. Hear me out. $230 if you paid retail, plus tax. $230, you're looking at like $245, $250. Potential, say they go up to $280, $300. How long is that going to take? A while, if they ever do. But with that being said, $280, right? $300. Say it takes a year, 2 years, which it's going to at minimum. Is it worth holding for $30, $40 profit? No, it's not. So I don't recommend really holding them. And yeah, there was no money to be made really on this release. For the first time that I could think of, like, ever on a Jordan 11 for the holidays. Absolutely crazy, absolutely wild. It really does show, in my opinion, the market. This release shows that the market is down. I might do another video talking about this. Let me know if you guys want that video. If you guys did not cop the Gratitudes for any reason and you still want a pair, I think you guys can wait it out and actually possibly get them for retail later on, or even less than retail later on. If you're patient, you don't need them for a gift, you don't need them right now, you can wait a handful of months. I do expect prices to come down. We see this happen pretty much with every Jordan 11 every year, right? They're always super expensive. You know, the peak, I should say, during holidays, right? During when they first release, then prices come down and then they slowly go back up. Well, on this release, there's no resale, so I do expect prices, of course, to fall more. So if you guys missed out for whatever reason, you can wait it out and possibly get them once again for retail or even under retail. So be patient. Do not pay any type of crazy price on this shoe. Nothing over retail. It's not worth it. Don't do it. Simply do not. Just wait it out if you can, if you have patience. If you need them right away, listen, it is what it is. But if you have patience and you can play the waiting game, patience will save pockets on this release. On this Jordan 11, patience will save pockets. It's been happening a lot here in 2023 and in 2024. Oh my goodness, I am going to do a video on this one. I think 2024 is going to be a wild year for sneakers. Let me know if you guys want me to drop a crazy video talking about what I think is going to happen in 2024. It's going to be wild, in my opinion. Make sure you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button. Here is the giveaway winner for the Gratitude 11. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you guys, everybody who supports me. I truly, truly appreciate you guys. But hey, don't worry if you did not win this giveaway. I am running another giveaway. That's right, for the Jordan 11 Gratitude, starting right now. All you guys need to do is like this video, hit that subscribe button right now, join the More family, get me to 70,000 subscribers. Thousands of you guys are going to watch this video, so please, all of you, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneakers. Get me to 70,000 subscribers. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what size you need in the Jordan 11 Gratitude. Take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the new giveaway for the Gratitude 11s. Once again, shout out to the winner, and this giveaway does end December 29th. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck on a free pair of Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Be sure to leave that comment. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys copped the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. Please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys did not cop for whatever reason, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped the Jordan 11 Gratitude and who did not. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.